Greetings, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to add music to your Instagram posts on your PC. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome. Now click on those three little dots in the top right corner. A menu will pop up and you'll want to select Extensions. Next, visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Insist and hit Enter. Now select the first extension. Click on Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. You're almost there. Once the extension is added, you'll notice a little puzzle piece icon in the top right corner and click on it. And voila! Now when you go to your Instagram, you'll see a whole new world of possibilities. You can add music to your stories, your posts, and so much more. It's like having your own personal DJ right at your fingertips. But wait, there's a catch. If you want to really add music to your stories and unlock the full potential of this awesome feature, you'll need to upgrade to the Pro version. Trust me, it's totally worth it. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can add music to your Instagram posts on your PC in 2024. I hope this little trick helps you take your Instagram game to the next level. Until next time, happy posting. Bye for now.